Hello! I'm reviewing this Lekato dual microphone system. I kind of unboxed it previously, and we've got two microphones, and a wireless receiver, So the wireless receiver charges via USB. These both take two AA batteries. Got these little rubber things on here, which are there to prevent them kind of sliding about on tables and things like that. Now, these microphones are geared towards kind of events, parties, live show, that kind of thing. They're not, meant to be recording microphones. Usually for recording purposes, you'd want a wired mic for the sort of stability and sound quality. These are ideally used for live events where you can walk about, you can have a party, you can pass the mics around, and they're meant to be easy to use. So this is very simple. There's just an on-off switch for this, just on-off, and an on-off switch for these. And these little lights here are flashing on the receiver because I've not yet turned the microphones on. So, all being well, if I just press the power on the microphone and I'll hold it down for a second, I can see the mic B, that's connected, and turn this one on. Okay, power's come on that, and straight away they're both connected. Okay, so what I'm now going to do is plug this into the back of this speaker. Okay, there we go. 1, 2. All right, so here we go. So this is your classic kind of karaoke party setup. A small speaker system connected via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth to a computer. So I've got some karaoke tracks on there. I'll just pick one at random. And then you've got your microphones. Okay, so as you can see, 1, 2. Got a little echo on there. Like built-in echo of this little speaker system. 1, 2. So 1, 2. I can walk about. Hello. And I can come back, and both microphones are working perfectly. 1, 2. So, let's put a track on. Karaoke time!
People let me be loving teddy bear. Put a chain around my neck, lead me anywhere. Oh, let me be your teddy bear.
Feel the mic.
I don't want to be your tiger, 'cause tigers play it rough. I don't want to be your lion, lions are the kind you love enough.
Okay, so there you have it. Really simple setup. Just on-off, connect to the receiver, plug that in, away you go. It's party time. All right. Thanks for watching. Cheers, buddies.